Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese. We're starting our week still with lots of sunshine and high temperatures in the lower 40s. But again, with all this sunshine we're expected to see today, we could see high temps just see a bit warmer in the mid 40s, which is right around where we should be for this time of year. If we take a look at our setup here, high pressure at the surface is building in. That's what's keeping us dry today. However, our weather pattern is expected to change as we head into Tuesday, as this area of low pressure is tracking east. But notice it's south of the state of Michigan. We're going to be in the head of this system, which means that warm air won't make its way into our neighborhoods. Temperatures tomorrow are going to hover right around freezing. That means our precipitation type, yes, we could see some snow as well as some wintry mix. We'll get to it, but here's our hour-by-hour temperatures tomorrow. And like I said, as we continue, the morning hours hovering around freezing at 33 degrees, and into the afternoon only warming into those mid-30s, 35 degrees. So definitely the conditions when we're tracking snow and, of course, wintry mix like freezing rain and sleet. Let's get right to our satellite and radar this morning. Again, showing sunshine today. Again, great to get outdoors, as we also have weak winds, gusts only ranging from 15 to 20 miles per hour today. But overnight, we'll see increasing cloud cover, and it's not going to be until 6 a.m. is the earliest time that we could start to see this precipitation roll into our neighborhoods in the form of winter weather expected, and that's going to be snow. It's going to be continuing on into the daytime hours when we start to warm, that we'll start to see that wintry mix, especially in our southern neighborhoods along and south of I-94. We could also see that wintry mix creep into Ingham, Clinton, and Eaton counties as well. But we're expecting possibly some snowfall as well as a light glaze of ice with some possible slick surfaces during the event as it moves throughout the daytime hours Tuesday. Looking at our snowfall map for Tuesday again, for snowfall, nothing too crazy. Trace up to an inch of snow at the most, and again, trace amounts of ice possible. And that's going to be mainly for elevated surfaces. So we're going to watch out for areas while we're driving, like bridges when we're driving over. Here's what we're looking at heading into Wednesday. We'll dry up with just increasing cloud cover throughout the day. Temperatures are looking on the later half of the week to warm up. Let's look at it right here on our Super 7-day. High temps could reach 37 degrees tomorrow, but again, these are the perfect conditions to be tracking that possible wintry mix. Now, overnight lows will dip into the lower 20s, so again, expect some cold starts to the morning this week. We will warm those lows back to 30 degrees overnight Wednesday into Thursday. As like I said, once we reach Thursday and Friday, we do have chances for showers, still some uncertainties, but in the form of rain. Yes, as high temps are ranging in the upper 40s. That's a tad bit above average for this time of year. We'll enter the weekend and stay dry right now with partly cloudy skies both Saturday and Sunday, warming possibly up to 50 degrees on Sunday as a daytime high. Our overnight lows will also warm this weekend and hover right around freezing.